Hi everyone, this is Ruth from AfroShe. Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, remember to subscribe for more videos. And now this lovely lady here is called Mon.
Hi!
We're going to do Mon's hair and make sure you stay tuned and watch. Alright, see you then. Alright, hi guys. So Mon has just washed her hair, and Mon, what did you think?
It was really nice. It's very soft on the hair and doesn't make it feel dry.
Awesome.
Yeah, it feels really nice and it's already more curly than it usually is.
Ooh, excellent. Alright, Caleb, do you want to say hi? It's the AfroShe hair spritz. Now I'm just going to spritz that through. Give it a shake first, spritz it through, and then I'm just going to work that through Mon's hair. And then I'm going to apply AfroShe curl styler. So just have a look at that. It's beautiful, very, very soft. And I'm just going to work that through Mon's hair. And I'm using the praying technique there. So yeah, the different techniques will sort of give you a different style. So you know, if you do like a praying technique or the finger combing, try different techniques and see how your hair sort of what results that you get with your hair. Beautiful, and there it is. Mon's hair is now wet with the products in there, and have a good look at that. It's very, very lovely, and it's all, remember, it's all natural, handmade and chemical free, all of AfroShe hair and skincare products. And I'm just going to use the hair dryer on very low, like a cooling heat rather than on a hot heat, and I'm just going to blow dry. And there is Mon's hair, beautiful, very curly. Okay, alright. Now Mon, are you very happy or are you very, very happy?
I'm very happy.
You look stunning, seriously.
Yeah, it feels so good.
Oh, look at that. People, come on, thumbs up.
Look at that.
Thumbs up, please. Mon is just gorgeous. Oh, my goodness. There you go. Now this is what AfroShe does. Makes people love their hair. Oh, look at that.
So good.
Amazing. Hi everyone, this is Ruth. I am back to do a video for you. Now this is Marion. Marion, would you like to say hi to everyone?
Hi everyone.
Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned because you're going to be amazed. Okay, and again, just the hair spritz. And then shea butter curl styler. Now this one I'm going to use two different products on Marion's hair. As you can see, the shea butter curl styler is going to go on Marion's right hand side, and then the curl it moisturizing hair gel is going to go on her left hand side. So you just have a look and see what you think. So, Marion, what do you think of this?
Oh, it's fantastic. I love it. It's really, really soft, really easy to use.
Awesome. Yeah. Well, you look stunning.
Thank you.
You look beautiful. Your curls are really popping. I love that. Wow. That looks really neat. So there we are. Marion absolutely loves it. So remember, we used the curl styler on this side, and then we used the gel on that side. They look both beautiful. They both look beautiful. And thumbs up this for Marion. Please let her know how much you love this, okay? Thanks so much for coming, Marion. It looks
It's been
gorgeous.
an absolute pleasure.
Oh,
You're so gentle.
you. Oh,
thank
thank
you.
I didn't pay it to say that. Alright, bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Welcome back to another video. Now this time I've got Steph. Now this is a different Steph, obviously.
Hi.
Steph, excellent. So you stay tuned and I hope you really like this video. Alright, now it's on Steph's hair. It's dry, so I'm just using the water spritz just to dampen the hair. And then just working that through. And then moving on straight to using the AfroShe hair spritz. And just give that a spray and then again work that through. And then the Shea Butter Curl Styler. And then just work that through. Now I'm using a praying method. And then just blow dry that on the cool setting. And there we are, beautiful curls, absolutely stunning. Now with the Shea Butter Curl Styler, you can use as little as you like with the product or as much as you like, and you get different styling. So guys, what did you think about this beautiful hairstyle? Now Steph, are you happy with this?
Yes, very. It feels soft.
Yeah.
Doesn't feel like cardboard.
Nice.
Yes, and there's volume now.
Awesome.
Which is nice. Which is nice. Yes.
It's gorgeous. You really look stunning. Thank you so
you.
much. I love it. Now guys, I'll put the before and after for you so you can, compare and see. And again, of course, you can go to shop.afroshe.com to buy your products. Until then, I'll see you and God bless. Bye for now. Hi everyone, this is Ruth back with another video. Hope you are well. Now today I have Ella here. Ella has come to get her hair done, so I hope you enjoy the video. So using the hair spritz and then working that through. Then moving on to the Shea Butter Curl Styler. Now again on Ella's hair, I'm using a mixture of the finger combing plus the praying technique. And then just drying that through. Now Ella was more than happy to blow dry her own hair. She did a beautiful job.
Wow.
So Ella, what do you think?
I love it. I think it's super soft and like light.
Yeah.
It's really light and so nice.
Well done. Yay! Guys, so you have just witnessed another amazing curly hairstyle. Now remember to go to shop.afroshe.com to buy the products. If you want to leave Ella some lovely comments, you better. Okay, you want to show her how impressed you are of her beautiful curly hair. And yeah, so thanks guys, you have a blessed day. Until then, see you next time. Bye.